Millions of online stores can now accept crypto by default, and almost nobody is paying attention. Shopify and Coinbase have rolled out a deep payments integration that could quietly change e-commerce. USDC on Coinbase's base network is now built directly into Shopify payments. Merchants do not need extra plugins. They do not need to set up wallets. They do not need to understand crypto at all. It is already integrated. For customers, the experience feels normal. USDC simply shows up alongside cards and Apple Pay at checkout. The crypto rails are working in the background, but the user experience stays simple. Merchants get paid in their local fiat currency by default, which removes volatility risk. Or they can choose to receive USDC directly on base if they want on-chain exposure. That flexibility matters. This solves the two biggest problems crypto payments have faced for years. Volatility is reduced because USDC is dollar-pegged. Complexity is reduced because most of the blockchain mechanics are invisible. Now here is the reality check. Since launch, total on-chain volume is only about $1.2 million. That is tiny compared to Shopify's global sales. Adoption is still early and experimental, but infrastructure comes first. Usage usually follows. Short-term, this will not move prices. Long-term, it strengthens the case for stablecoins and Layer 2 networks like Base as real payment infrastructure, not just speculation. Subscribe for the daily market breakdown and search BTCC now for the latest campaigns